Welcome! In front of me I have ALCATEL 1S and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, let's swipe left on the screen to go to the second page, and here tap on the Tools folder to open it, and now tap on Screen Capture. Here we can enable the screen recording by tapping on the switch next to the Screen Capture, but first let's set it up. Basically, we can change some settings for it right here. We can enable or disable the sound by tapping on the check mark next to the no sound recording, like that. We can also enable to show tabs by checking the box. Below we have video quality settings. You can tap on it and select the resolution of the recording. In our case, let's select large. And below the video quality settings we have record in landscape mode, and you can check this box or uncheck it. And at the bottom we have storage location. You can tap on it and select where do you want to save the recording. You can select phone or SD card. And once you're done, tap on the switch next to Screen Capture to start the recording. Then tap Start Now. And you will get the notification that the recording is already happening. And in the notification panel you can tap Pause to pause the recording. You can then tap Play to resume it. You can also tap on Stop to stop the recording and save it. And this icon, I'm not sure what it is. Let's tap on it. Maybe it shows settings. Let's close this and tap on this icon again. No, I think it just... Oh, it shows the... Okay, basically you draw on the screen. That's what it is. Okay, you can highlight stuff on the screen or something. Okay, let's turn this option, then stop the recording by tapping Stop. As you can see, you get notification that screen capture saved. You can tap on it to open the recording. And now let's close it. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.